How to fix ChatGPT not available in your country easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click these 3 points, go to history, and after that all you need to do, click clear browsing data, and select all of those here, then scroll down, select site settings and cookies, clear data, and now right click on your bar, go to task manager, now right click on your browser and task, and that's it. Then just open it again, and if that doesn't fix it, just restart your PC and try again. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.